Hey guys, so our writing for Unit 7 is a research report. Um, Luckily, in the whole unit, this is broken down into a lot of different steps. So, this is your first step. You have to come up with a subject and brainstorm. And for this example, your subject, or for this for this unit, it has to be a country or area. And if it's you want to research a country that's not listed, that's perfectly fine. Um, So the one that I chose for myself is Italy and more specifically Rome. Then you have to have a main research question. So I just came up with one really quick. Why is Rome such a popular tourist destination? Or I could have done, what do I need to know in order to travel to Rome? There's 1,000 questions that I have in my head about that location. Um, And that brings me to the next step. You have to have a list of 5 questions about my subject, which is Italy or Rome, that I want to research. So, yes, I have my main research question, but then I have to have 5 others. That's all you have to do for that first lesson about the research report. Okay, so the second part of this is your research plan. You have to find 5 or more steps that you will take to answer your research questions. So you had 5. You should have had 5 research questions to begin with. So those steps that you are taking could be how you found your sources. So most of you are going to use the internet. Like I said, do not use Wikipedia. Um, you can give examples of your exact sources that you're going to use, and you'll have to have at least 5, and possibly even specific information that you're going to use in your research report. On this article about blah blah, I am going to use this information because that's it. And the last 2 things that you need to do are number 3 is organize and write draft. And then the very last thing is type, write, and edit for final draft. And that is when you will turn it in for your in with your test. Turn in the final draft with your test. Okay.